Creating an account on Xfinity Mobile is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to set up your account easily. Step 1. Visit the Xfinity Mobile website. Open your web browser and go to the official Xfinity Mobile website. Look for the option to sign up or create a new account. Step 2. Click on Sign Up. Once on the website, find and click the Sign Up button. This will direct you to the account creation page where you can begin the registration process. Step 3. Enter your information. Fill out the required fields with your personal information. This typically includes your name, email address, and phone number. Make sure to provide accurate information for account verification. Step 4. Create a password. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Review and submit. Carefully review all of the information you've entered to ensure it is correct. Once you are satisfied, click the Submit button to create your account. You may receive a confirmation email to verify your account. Now you are ready to use your new Xfinity Mobile account. Enjoy exploring the services available to you.